If you're wearing socks, that's plus 300 Rizz. If you finish with over 700 Rizz points, then I'll give you a sneaky surprise at the end of the video.
How cool is that? That was all done by AI. Just Nikki asked me to make a video about this YouTuber called Ansuwu. They have over 1.4 million subscribers, and they have accumulated over 35 million views already. And all they do is create these weird Rizz Quiz shorts. They also use the hashtag brainrot. But yeah, fact is that it is very popular, and we are going to create something like that. We will recreate this short. First of all, we are going to generate the character. So download the short with any YouTube downloader and add it to CapCut. Now export a still frame where the character is visible. Now crop the image. Next up, we go to ChatGPT and ask, give me an image prompt in text form to create this kind of image. And now add the image. Perfect. Now we go to Ideogram, and here we can generate images for free. Add the prompt, make sure it is 9x16 and generate it. After like 30 seconds it is done. Okay, not bad. We could totally use that. But since I have Midjourney, I will generate the image there. And guys, to be frank, you can use any character in the world. But since we try to copy the other channel, we are doing this now. Okay, nice, this image is great. To remove the background, we are going to use Canva. Add the image like this, open it like this. And now remove the background. Be sure to save it and turn on the transparency mode. Now we need to get the video script. And guys, you could just come up with these things yourself or ask ChatGPT, but this time I will go and use the transcription text and copy it like this. Now, add this text to 11 labs. I will edit the text for errors and make it a bit shorter. Now pick a voice from the audio library, or use one you already own. Now generate it.
If you're wearing socks, that's plus 300 Rizz. If you finish with over...
Okay, amazing. Let's download it. Now add the audio and image to CapCut. Resize the image. Now we are going to download the Minecraft footage from YouTube. Add it to CapCut and resize it. Add a new text block and write Rizz Quiz. Now generate the captions and choose a nice template. Now click on the girl image and go to the nightclub effects. Choose one you like most. This effect will add motion to the image. Now add new text blocks for the plus and minus Rizz. Also add nice in and out animation. Since it is smart to tease your audience with a surprise in the beginning, we are now going to add the surprise reward image like this. We will also add this woman we generated from the previous video because she is asking who is prettier. Let's add a cool animation here. Now, duplicate the reward image and make sure to add some blur effect to it. Also add a question mark. Let's also add the motion effect. Now make some cuts and reposition the girl character a couple of times. Now, it is time for sound effects. Let's download this sound effect for the surprise image. And we will add the correct and wrong sound effect for the positive and negative Rizz. Now add some background music, doesn't really matter what. I will download it from the YouTube audio library, but make sure to make it really soft. Last but not least, we will add some filters. When you're done, export it in 4K before I'm going to show you the end result. Let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own Rizz Quiz shorts with AI and go viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never, ever, 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 never, ever, 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 never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
If you're wearing socks, that's plus 300 Rizz. If you finish with over 700 Rizz points, then I'll give you a sneaky surprise at the end of the video. Have you ever picked your nose in public? If you have, then that's minus 200 Rizz for being a gross little viewer. Who's prettier, me or her? If you said me, then that's plus 300 Rizz. If not, then that's minus 500 Rizz. If someone sent you this video, negative 1,000 Rizz points. But if you share this video with someone, then plus 1,000 Rizz. If you finished with over 700 Rizz, here's your reward. If you had less than 700 Rizz, close your eyes. It's a picture of Donald Trump and Elon Musk on steroids.